नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं नेशन नाउ। मैं हूं आपके साथ श्वेता सिंह। इस बुलेटिन की शुरुआत करेंगे सबसे पहले कर्नाटक में जो उथल पुथल मची थी, नेतृत्व को लेकर बार बार सवाल उठ रहा था, उस खबर के साथ। आपको बता दें कि कर्नाटक राज्य में बीएस येदियुरप्पा के मुख्यमंत्री पद से इस्तीफा देने के बाद निश्चित तौर पर अब ये साफ हो गया है कि वहां का अगला मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा। जी आपको बता दें कि कई दिनों से जारी अटकलों, अफवाहों और हाई ड्रामे के बाद आखिरकार कर्नाटक में लीडरशिप का जो संकट था, उससे बादल जो है, संकट के बादल छट गए हैं। और आपको बता दें कि येदियुरप्पा के इस्तीफे के बाद उनके करीबी रहे सहयोगी बसवराज बोम्मई को नया मुख्यमंत्री राज्य का बनाया जाएगा। आपको ये भी बता दें कि पार्टी विधायक दल की बैठक में विधायक दल का नेता और मुख्यमंत्री भी उन्हें चुना गया। नाम की घोषणा होते ही आपको ये भी बता दें कि बसवराज बोम्मई ने येदियुरप्पा के पैर छुए और उनका आशीर्वाद लिया। साथ ही इसके बाद वो राज्यपाल के पास, आपको बता दें, दावा पेश करेंगे अपने मुख्यमंत्री का। राज्यपाल ने बोम्मई को आज सुबह 11 बजे मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में शपथ के लिए आमंत्रित किया है।
Joining with me is Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Basuraj Bommai. Sir, first, congratulations, sir, for becoming Chief Minister. What are the challenges you immediately face, sir?
The challenges are we got floods on hand, and COVID 3 preparation is there. I'll give top priority for that. And other than that, I want to implement all the budget promises made by Yediyurappa ji, and looking into the finances. And I want to streamline the administration, and I want to give pro-poor good governance.
Yeah. So many of the people were contesting, challenging about this, like Mr. Bellat and Ratnar. What do you have to say to your cabinet colleagues in the party?
We will take everybody along.
तो आपको बता दें, लगातार कर्नाटक राज्य में बीएस येदियुरप्पा के खिलाफ सबसे पहले उनके खेमे से ही आवाजें आनी शुरू हो गई थी। उनके मुख्यमंत्री को लेकर, उनके पद को लेकर लगातार असंतोष राज्य में फैला हुआ था। उसी बीच लगातार ये भी सवाल उठ रहे थे कि आखिर जो है मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा, अगला मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा। नए चेहरे की तलाश हो रही थी। साथ ही साथ जो पूरा जातिगत जो समीकरण है, उससे परे हटकर आपको बताएं तो लगातार नेतृत्व को लेकर बीजेपी एक तरीके से एक नए चेहरे की तलाश में थी। और उसके बाद आपको बताएं कि जो है बसवराज बोम्मई, उनको नया मुख्यमंत्री कर्नाटक राज्य का बनाया जाएगा। और साथ ही आपको बता दें, सबसे पहले ये आप आर अशोक की ये बाइट सुनिए, क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं।
New chief minister has been announced. Was this a unanimous decision? Are all the MLAs happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Okay.
I am happy because
Okay.
my best friend, we are both just like a Jodettu.
Okay.
I am very happy. All MLAs are very happy.
Okay.
It's the unanimous elected as a Bommai as a chief minister. The Karnataka also proud about this.
Okay. So now the party, sir, has been seeing, a lot of dissidents going on for the past few months, sir. Now the party has been seeing a lot of dissidents. So many MLAs had been speaking out, against Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa. Will that now be taken care of? Is there?
Yeah.
Is there agreement?
Everybody will take care.
Okay.
The government will run smoothly.
Okay.
We will take confidence about all the MLAs.
Okay. And will you be one of the deputy chief ministers, sir? Has there been any information on that? You
Yeah.
seem pretty happy, sir.
और हमारे सहयोगी श्रीजा इस वक्त हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ी है इस पर और ज्यादा अपडेट देने के लिए। श्रीजा, बसवराज बोम्मई विल बी न्यू सीएम फॉर कर्नाटका स्टेट एंड ऑल्सो सोर्सेस टेल मिरर नाउ दैट देयर विल बी 3 deputy CM.
Well, the preparations right now are on at Raj Bhavan. Yes, of course, the swearing-in ceremony will take place at 11 a.m. is what we are given to understand. There are a lot of activities that's happening at this point in time right before Basuraj Bommai's house. And what we understand, yes, as far as yesterday's the political developments, remember the name was till the last minute was still shrouded in secrecy. As far as BJP is concerned, that's how usually they like to spring a surprise. And remember, even B.S. Yediyurappa's tendering resignation was also not really expected, even though the kind of the support that he managed to drum up and eventually tendering his resignation. And also what we understand is that from Arun Singh, after speaking to Arun Singh and other leaders, the possible front, who were the possible front runners, what they tell us is that the name was already pre-decided, and the pre-decided name was, of course, another replacement for the Lingayat strongman or a heavyweight, B.S. Yediyurappa, because Basavaraj Bommai himself is from the Lingayat community, and now looks like with the choice of Basavaraj Bommai, that is supposed to calm the Lingayat community, who for the last couple of weeks, where they have been voicing strong opinions and issuing strong statements against especially the BJP High Command. So in a hope to especially douse that fire within the Lingayat community, they have chosen Basavaraj Bommai, who's also from the Lingayat community. But sources also tell us that there will be 3 deputy chief ministers, and this is also again from 3 different communities, as far as whether it is the Dalit community is concerned, or even from Vokaliga community and Valmika community. So these are different communities where 3 BJP leaders will be selected. However, that's still as far as the sources are concerned, and that's yet to be announced. Back to you.
श्रीजा स्टे विद अस। सबसे पहले बसवराज बोम्मई की उनकी प्रतिक्रिया आ रही है, सबसे पहले दर्शकों को वो सुना देते हैं।
ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ.
Sir, today where are you going to visit and what is your plan today, sir?
No, major plan is to I am going to have a cabinet meeting. As well, after that I'll have a senior officers meeting, and we will review the both flood and COVID situations.
ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಈಗ? ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ KK ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಹೋಗೋ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹನುಮಂತ ದೇವರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ ಮುಂದೆ.
Sir, have you called the officials meeting, sir?
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
तो बसवराज बोम्मई की प्रतिक्रिया सुन रहे थे। सबसे पहले वो क्या कुछ करेंगे, इस पे पत्रकारों ने उनसे सवाल जवाब किया। और लगातार आपको बता दें कि जो कर्नाटक में जिस तरीके से ये सत्ता जो नेतृत्व को लेकर बार बार सवाल उठ रहा था, हाई वोल्टेज ड्रामा चल रहा था, उस पे से फिलहाल पर्दा उठ चुका है। और कहीं न कहीं जो बसवराज बोम्मई हैं वो कर्नाटक राज्य के नए मुख्यमंत्री होंगे। साथ ही साथ जो मिरर नाउ को सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर मिली है कि राज्य में 3 उप मुख्यमंत्री भी बनाए जाएंगे। और हमारी सहयोगी श्रीजा हमारे साथ लगातार जुड़ी हुई है इस पूरी खबर पर, कई दिन से वो अपनी नजर बनाए हुए। श्रीजा, टेल अस मोर ऑन दिस।
B.S. Yediyurappa tendering his resignation, the Council of Ministers have also been dissolved. Now that also means where after the swearing-in ceremony of Basavaraj Bommai as the new Chief Minister, the successor of B.S. Yediyurappa, we understand the Cabinet of Ministers will be formed. But before that, the name will publicly also officially will be announced for the next 3 deputy chief ministers. So it becomes pertinent also, remember, with all these kind of political developments, it's clearly received a lot of flack as far as the recent political developments are concerned, from especially the citizens of Karnataka, because during the time of pandemic and also when Karnataka is reeling under severe floods. So did we really need to see such a political change is the kind of questions that's been projected as far as citizens are concerned. But also we are hearing from the BJP sources in a day or two the cabinet formation will also be done, which means new posts will be allotted especially to the BJP leaders. But what really remains to be seen is, remember, it becomes a huge task. The central leadership will also be having this huge challenge, including the state leadership, because if you clearly remember when B.S. Yediyurappa came to power, that was only because when BJP in fact managed to get the 17 of the defected MLAs from the JDS and the Congress to jump the ship to BJP, so it allowed them to form the government. But those are the MLAs, in fact nearly 10 to 12 of them were given ministerial plum posts, while the old-timers within the BJP were ignored. So that was one of the major reasons for the dissidents in the party, and also for which we understand also the reason why B.S. Yediyurappa had to also step down is what political analysts and sources from the BJP are suggesting. Now, Basavaraj Bommai and along with the state leadership leadership will try and tread very carefully, because they have to do the balancing act between the old-timers and also the new ones who actually jumped the ship. Now, how really that is going to be done is what remains to be seen.
राइट श्रीजा, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इन तमाम जानकारी के लिए। और अब आपको बता दें कि सीएम के तौर पर बोम्मई के नाम की घोषणा होने के बाद भी जो उनके चाहने वाले हैं उनके बीच खुशी की लहर है। इसके साथ ही आपको बता दें कि बोम्मई के शुभ चिंतकों में खुशी की लहर है और सड़कों पर पटाखे फोड़े गए, जश्न मनाया गया।